It's the Colourpop Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer Holiday Collection. So yeah, Rudolph does makeup. Hello beautiful people, this is Anne, Fabulous Life 101. Thanks for tuning in today on my channel. I cover makeup and skincare, occasionally fashion and travel. Basically things that make you feel more fabulous at any age. If you're interested in this type of content and you're not already a subscriber, could you please hit that subscribe button and the bell notifications right now? Thanks so much. Well, I've always liked Colourpop makeup ever since I used to buy the little singles when they first started selling them in Ulta. I've ordered things from the website as well as found things in the store. And this is something they had out for Christmas, the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer collection. There's a palette and a lip kit. These are I think there were more items as well, but these are the two that I decided to buy. And what do I think? I mean, really a novelty Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, but it's actually pretty good. I mean, look at these colors. So stay tuned for a full demonstration. So these are the new products I just bought from Colourpop, the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer palette and the Rudolph I Think You're Cute lippy pencil. Before using those, I did most of my prior makeup using Colourpop products. I used the Pretty Fresh foundation, the Pretty Fresh concealer, the blush sticks, and this Avila Beach bronzer, also the Colourpop brow pencil. So the brand is really good in pretty much everything I've tried from Colourpop. Now on to the new palette. I had kind of decided I wasn't going to buy any more novelty palettes because I have so many. But this was just so cute. And the colors are really, really pretty and they're right in the shades that I love. So anyway, I'm going to do my makeup for the very first time today using this palette. Look up here, there's 3 good matte base colors. I think I'm going to use Independent Together, which is sort of a peachy shade, and just put that all over my eyelid. Next, I'm going to line my eyes with Ready Santa, this sort of brown shade down here. And this is applying really well. There's like no fallout. The color goes on even and smooth. And I'm going to take the shade that's slightly lighter than that one called Little Buck and use that on the lower lash line. Okay, now I'm taking this crease and corner brush and I'm going with lots of tinsel, which is a shimmer, but it's just a nice, pretty soft pink shimmer. And I'm doing that from the outer corner up into the crease, about midway in. Taking this smaller brush, I'm going in with North Pole, this sort of shimmery white look, and just go on the inner corner with that, right like this. Now I've got my big, thick blender brush. I think I'm going to take Snowbank and just blend everything together with this. And this shade is that famous Colourpop shimmer. So let me blend just a little bit more. But yeah, I've got an overall shimmery eye look. And this palette offers so much more. It has greens, like brighter pinks, rose colors, and a whole realm of browns and nudes. So if you like this type of color family, this is a great palette. And Colourpop, the quality is always amazing. Okay, I went ahead and did my mascara off camera. Now on to the other product I bought, the I Think You're Cute Lip Duo. This is called the Clarice, I guess is the shade, Luxe Lipstick, and the Clarice Lippy Pencil. So I'm going to start with the Lippy Pencil. Let's see, this is the lipstick. But with the pencil, let me get this little mirror here and This is a pretty peachy nude shade, and I've always liked Colourpop's lip products. There we go. So I'm really liking these products. Pretty much everything I bought from Colourpop I've really liked. And again, this is the Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer collection. This is the Clarice lip kit and the Rudolph palette. Well, that's the video for today. If you liked it, could you give me the thumbs up? Thanks for watching. Have a fabulous day. Peace, love, and light.